You might be wondering, how do you get clients beyond local marketing or beyond friends and family as a nutritionist? In today's video, I want to share the importance of social media for nutritionists so that you can start making sales. Social media marketing for nutritionists is a great avenue for you to not only gain visibility, but also look at getting clients. The first step, if you haven't already, would be to set up your profile. In doing so, you want to first define what platform you're setting up. Is it LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram? And then on that chosen platform, I do suggest one at a time, you want to upload a profile picture where people can understand that it's you. So that means you're looking towards the camera. That means that people can identify that that image is in fact you. And then you want to update the profile to make sure that it's accurate in terms of who you are. It could be your name, and it could be any information related to what you do as a nutritionist. Now, you might not know how to fill out your profile when you're getting started, and that's normal. And I want to encourage you to not overthink it and just get something out there, because you can adjust and tweak your profile with time, especially as you get more clear about who you're serving. Now, if you're a nutritionist who already knows that, let's say you're in the functional space or you work with a particular type of person, then you can of course add that to your profile. But if you don't yet know what you do, you can keep things simple and add to it later. The second step in setting up social media as a nutritionist to get clients would be setting a goal. Now, this can be really simple. The goal could be a 30, 60, 90-day goal. I'm a big fan of those. That's setting 3-month goals in increments of 30 days. So that first 30-day goal might be that you've set up your profile. And if you're feeling overzealous, you can also commit, decide how many days a week are you going to post on that particular platform, let's say Instagram. Now, that second 30 days, that would be up to 60 days. At this point, you might want to actively be posting the amount of times you said you would to hold up to that goal. And you also might want to be talking to at least 5 people or 3 people per week that might be a potential client. And that means you're going to have to actively seek out people that are looking for nutrition solutions. That third goal might be that you're either optimizing your post strategy as you're learning more about what people want and need, or you're actually using calls to action. And you went from talking to 3 to 5 people a week that might be in your demographic or might need nutritional help, and now you're actually asking those people if they would want to work with a nutritionist, for example, you. So that means you're using what's called a call to action. You're telling people to purchase your product or service or consulting or whatever it is that you're selling at that moment. So you're working up to those goals. It's easy to say, get out there, talk to people, make the sale or request the sale or ask for the sale, but it really does take some time to get comfortable with those things. So if you break them down in terms of the first 30 days, the second 30 days, and the last 30 days, that would be a total of 90 days or 3-month goal, you can build up step by step towards reaching the goal of starting to ask for the sale. Because one of the biggest things I see with nutritionists is that they don't ask for the sale. And if you don't tell people, hey, buy my coaching or apply for coaching or work with me or send me a message if you're interested, then people genuinely don't know that you're taking clients. I know it sounds obvious, but I see this all the time with nutritionists and social media. They might be putting content out, but they're not yet telling people that they're taking clients. So if that sounds like you, then I want you to put those 30, 60, 90-day goals into practice so that you can start using social media effectively to get clients as a nutritionist. If you like this video, I want you to check out this next video about 5 steps to start your dietitian private practice.